Hi guys, my name is Din Quinto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Set Forget Traffic. Stay tuned. Now, in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how the Set Forget Traffic works. Now, as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on October 26th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to get access to the Set Forget Traffic when this goes live. And the best part is you can get a discount price for this digital product launch during this launch period of the Set Forget Traffic. Now, this is a limited time offer, so you must act fast as the price increases every 60 minutes. Now, to get this discounted price, you can go ahead and click the link down below in this video to check it out. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses here, and I will show you how you can get this product from here so you can retrieve my free bonuses offer by clicking the link down below in this video. And what you can do is you can keep an eye onto my bonus banner, and that's when you know that you are able to get access to my bonus page down below in the description of this video. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the Set Forget Traffic. Now, to put this briefly, Set Forget Traffic is a program that will give you lessons on how to promote your affiliate links the right way with using this method to drive traffic to your offers using Quora. Now, this method has proven with case studies that Quora does have a ton of traffic that helps your offer get high converting sales. Now, with this easy hack that will show you inside of the members area, you will learn how to ask the right proper questions and structure of how you can ask and leave an answer properly to meet Quora's criteria. Now, you can utilize this, you can utilize your affiliate offers by answering people's questions, and that's how they can click onto your affiliate links and leading them to buy from your link. Now, this is how you can pretty much take advantage of Quora's organic traffic, is by helping providing answers to real people who are asking questions. But this program will actually teach you how you can leave answers the correct way and the proper way, which is why it's important to pay attention to this part of training so you'll be able to get access and also get a success with the secret technique of having people in Quora from buying from your link. Now, I want to talk about the benefits of the Set Forget Traffic. Now, this is great for beginners and newbies, and there are a ton of information for you to learn by learning step by step right over here in this training module that I'm gonna be showing you later. This is how you can get started. So pretty much this is what it looks like, but each of the courses will be video training. So if you're a beginner and a newbie, and if you need that guidance on how to get this started, now this is perfect for you. Now, also, this is perfect for anyone out there who wants to go ahead and grab a copy of the Set Forget Traffic. So, you know, just because I said it's great for beginners and newbies doesn't mean that, you know, if you are an experienced online marketer or if you just want something different and wanted fresh ideas about traffic, then you can go ahead and grab this copy, and then it's a fresh new ideas on how to get organic traffic by getting this copy of the Set Forget Traffic. Now, also, this is also perfect for someone who doesn't like to spend money on ads but rely on organic traffic with quick results. So you can go ahead and get this copy, because if you're the type where you're spending money on ads and you're not getting results, if anyone out there who's been spending a lot of money on traffic, then this program is for you. And also, you can use JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank offers, so you can start applying your affiliate links, so you can use that to send offers to your traffic, which is Quora. And it's very easy technique to start earning your commissions. You don't have to create content or start blogging. You simply provide answers in the right structure and start earning affiliate sale, and that's pretty much it. So that's how the Set Forget Traffic works. Now, I'm going to be showing you a walkthrough of what the set forget traffic looks like inside of this course. So as you can see here, this is what it's going to look like as soon as you pick up set forget traffic front end. So as you can see here, all you can do is scroll down and it's going to give you all this course content here. So this is the intro videos. So as you can see, you click on that and it's going to take you to the intro videos. This is Arenzi. He's going to be welcoming you to the course of the set forget traffic. And then if you scroll down here, this is Neller's intro as well. So they're both partners who created this methods of traffic Quora. So as you can see here. Then you scroll down, this is where you can join the Facebook group for both of them. This is where you can also subscribe their YouTube channels over here. Then here is where you can watch the free workshop, Build a 10K per month business live in 20 days, right over here. Then on this one here, bam, for a quick 10K, check out the link below, which you can go ahead and click on that. Now moving on to the mindset. So again, these are all video courses that you're gonna be watching and learning from how this whole thing works. So it's gonna explain to you the mindset in this video here. So you can either click this next lesson here or just pretty much navigate it onto the left side of this program here. So I usually just go through here so it's easier. And so let's go to the main training. I'm going to show you the system videos. As you can see, video-based training of the system, and same thing with the warp speed here. And so as writing a letter for a friend over here, he's going to explain to you about each of these main trainings over here. And then this is the how to write a 150 WPM here. Gonna listen to the video course, the video training of how to write the 150 word per minute. What is this free traffic? Now this is where he's going to start explaining to you about Quora, how you can get traffic from this. Then over here is what is this magical platform. Then I've already told you about what's the magical platform where you can actually get traffic from Quora. You'd be surprised, but you get real people there. So that is one of the reasons why you can pretty much take advantage of Quora, is you use them as you're pretty much offering them answers to questions that they may have. Because if you think about it, you have audiences who are seeking for answers, and these are the perfect audience for you to start sharing your answers to them and give them some tips, or it could be your affiliate link that you can offer for them, so they'll be able to go ahead and click that link and do get a lead that way. So this is why Quora is powerful. Then this is what questions to answer for maximum traffic. So these are going to be your techniques on how you can pretty much what questions to answer for maximum traffic, how you can answer this specific question so that you can get traffic. So these are the techniques on how you can be successful with this technique. So here is the affiliate offers. Then again, like I mentioned earlier, you can find offers in ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus over here, case studies. So these are the case studies that you can go ahead and check out. So profile update here. And then here is finding questions, example 1. So these are all video-based trainings, as you can see here. So you can pretty much go and check this out in this section here. And this is another case studies linking to your offers over here. So this is also another walkthrough, or pretty much, I should say, case studies on linking to offers and trying to see how this is successful for them with this technique. So 1 out of 1, then we go click on here. Then we're going to go to the second set of the modules. So over here is the bonuses. And don't forget, I'm also offering you my free bonuses as well on top of purchasing the set forget traffic front end. And these are all the available upgrades that I'm going to be explaining to you later as well. So you can get all the upgrades here. So as soon as you pick up set forget traffic front end, you can go ahead and log into the members area. You can get access to the upgrades over here to those of you who are interested in upgrading set forget traffic. So I should say consider buying upgrades, because it's gonna help you grow your business. It's gonna help you learn more skills. It's gonna give you that advantage. So you're gonna learn more, and as they say, the more you learn, the more you earn. So the more you learn, the more you earn. And so that's pretty much it. So this is what the set forget traffic looks like. Now I'm going to be showing you my bonus page here. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up set forget traffic, this is going to go live on October 26th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these red buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when the countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim this bonuses here, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. All you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here. Just scroll down and click on any of these red buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now if you need to ask me any questions about the bonuses, you can reach me out through my Facebook page here. Go ahead and follow me on my Facebook. Send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge. Even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video, is only going to be $12.95 in price, but I'm going to be offering you $9.97 if you pick up this product using my exclusive link. Just go ahead and wait for the code. Actually, there is a pop-up like this, as you can see. You can go ahead and click here to claim, or I'm going to be leaving you a code so you can get that discounted price, so you don't have to pay the $12.95 price, but you can get it for $9.97 because you are my wonderful customers. And so I'm going to be giving you the cheaper price for this product. Now you can also upgrade your front-end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now please consider checking out the upgrades if you want to increase your chances of earning money. So right over here, you can go ahead and read through the available upgrades of this product. Now once you, for example, if you decide to pick this up, then you change your mind about the upsells, you can actually get access to the inside of the members area of the set forget traffic here. But I'd like you to read through all the upgrades that's available for you that you can check out. And also, as soon as you pick up the front end of the set forget traffic, it's better if you decide to pick up the upgrades right there and then because of the discounted price. Because if you don't pick it up on that time of checkout, then you won't be able to purchase it on a discounted price. And so it's better to get that upgrade, the upgrade price right there and then just get it over with, so you'll be able to pick up the front end and also whatever are the available upgrades that's been offered onto the set forget traffic. If I were you, like I mentioned earlier about the more you learn, the more you earn, I would take advantage of getting all these upgrades. It's going to help you sharpen and learn more about your affiliate business or your online business. So pretty much as soon as you purchase all these upgrades, it's going to help you learn more. And for this price, which is not even more than $500, I mean, it's a game changer. It's going to help you get there. And pretty much you're not going to see all this information in Google or not even in YouTube. So I would take advantage of this, and please consider checking out all the upgrades because it's going to benefit for your online business growth. Now, when you click the link down below in the description of this video to purchase Set Forget Traffic, now I'm going to be offering you my free bonuses. Now this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you all my free bonuses. So make sure that you click the link down below in the description of this video. And if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page and go ahead and send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $12.95 during the launch period of the Set Forget Traffic. Now once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 29th. So make sure that you look out for that when you pick this up. Now all of my bonuses are all included, even just by the front end, which is only going to be $9.95 in price, including my discount code right below in this video. Now make sure that you look out for that when you pick this up. Okay, so you're gonna find all this information right down below this video with that one link that says bonus crate. Go ahead and click on that, and everything is in here that you can check out the product of this Set Forget Traffic. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Set and Forget Traffic review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase Set Forget Traffic at a discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.